has adding a new user to Microsoft Entra ID, Azure AD. In this guide, you'll learn how to create a new user in Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure AD, with all necessary properties and configurations. Follow the steps below to ensure the user is added correctly with all required details. Step 1. Set the user principal name UPN suffix. 1. Navigate to the Users section in Microsoft Entra ID. 2. Click Plus New User to create a new user. 3. Select the correct domain for the user's UPN suffix from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Specify display name. 1. Click the Display Name field. 2. Enter the full name of the user, e.g. Mike Mitchell, and press Enter to set it. 3. This ensures the user's proper identification in user lists and communications. Step 3. Enter user details. 1. First name and last name. Enter the user's first name, e.g. Mike, and press Enter. Enter the user's last name, e.g. Mitchell, and press Enter. 2. Job title. In the Job Title field, type HR Manager and press Enter. 3. Company name. Enter Surf City Boats in the Company Name field and press Enter. Four. Department. Specify the department as Human Resources and press Enter. Step 4. Set usage location. 1. Scroll down to the Usage Location field. 2. Select United States from the drop-down list. Step 5. Skip role assignments. 1. Click Next Assignments. 2. Skip adding any roles or assignments for this lab by proceeding to the next step. Step 6. Review and create. 1. Click Reviews Create to review the details you've entered for accuracy. 2. If everything is correct, click Create to add the user to Microsoft Entra ID. Final outcome. After completing these steps, the new user, Mike Mitchell, will be successfully added to Microsoft Entra ID with the following details. Display name, Mike Mitchell. Job title, HR Manager. Company, Surf City Boats. Department, Human Resources. Usage location, United States. This ensures proper identification, organizational alignment, and readiness for role assignments in the future.